welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you beautiful people doing today? Well, today I'm having a good time in my garden because if you look right across there, you're gonna see some lovely potato. If you go back in my videos, and you look in the video at how to turn 18 pieces of potato into 36 pieces. If you look at that video, you're gonna see when I was preparing these potatoes, and now I prepare them and I plant them. Look how beautiful they're looking. No fertilizer, no manure, nothing added. If you remember when I was digging these banks, I mixed dirt with the grass that I use my hoe and weed, and then I pull everything and mix it. That's the result here. Looking just like if you put fertilizer around them. Nothing was added. So today I want to start molding them up. I want to start pulling dirt around them. This is how I do my potato. I plant them in a way that I can always pull dirt around them. Some people just plant them and just basically leave them and just no. I always try to pull dirt because I want it always to be soft. Because the softer the dirt, you get bigger potato. The wider the banks, you get bigger potato. So you have to know these things because when you harvesting, you wanna able to say yes, I can harvest this 2 roots today, and this gonna cook for my dinner. For me and my family. You don't wanna harvest 10 roots of potato and you get 5 potato. So you have to do the best you can. Always try to soften them up so you can get a lot of tomato potato. I have proof that my remedy works because if you go in my videos, how to plant potato, how to harvest potato, you're gonna see that I'm getting really good size potato. So now I'm going and start molding up for a little. Okay? I'm gonna start pulling them together, then I'm gonna show you how beautiful they're looking. All right. Yes, guys. So I'm fixing up the potato banks, molding them up, pulling dirt. Yes, my people. So what you see I'm doing here, I'm pulling the dirt around the potato because the potato gonna start to get tall. So you gotta keep pulling the dirt around it to keep it up. At one point, they're gonna start bending over. The vine's gonna start bending over. But you ain't gotta worry about that. You just gotta make sure that you keep these dots soft around the potato. And when you do that, you will able to get a lot from your potato. I'm telling you. So this is basically what I'm doing today. I have a few over here. So I'm gonna just continue softening up the roots them. And I'm getting a lot of potato out the field as well from the last crop. So I'm just planting them in different areas. I already planted my eggos. I have a lot of eggplant. A lot of them bust out. So I'll have a lot of eggplant to plant. So this is how everything going now. I'm working on my potato today. I'm trying to get my potato them in good shape because I want them to produce big potato for me. Yes. So how are you guys doing today? I hope everybody is doing well because today is another beautiful day and the giveaway is getting closer and closer. So there will be a lucky winner on the 16th of this month. I'm telling you, you guys are awesome. You guys, for this month, you guys really support me. You guys encourage me in so many ways. You guys make me want to plant even more. So I appreciate you guys for that. I just want you guys to continue. Even the giveaway is finished on the 16th. Continue supporting the channel because I also have some kids that I'm teaching that I really want to learn how to plant and take care of their own garden. So please support the channel. And there will be a next giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So stick around. There will be giveaway from time to time. Alright? There's time I will be giving away gift card, different things. So just support the channel. You know, encourage me to continue. Encourage the kids them to continue. Shout out to each and every one of you. Blessings to each and every one of you. And don't forget, hit the notification.